pretty much a fast vehicle, just well, got some kind of power. Let's see. Believe it or not, no one actually bidded on this car. It was like, you know, if I was that guy, I would sell this car for every bit of maybe two. Here we are, 2012 Chevy Camaro. Pretty good. See how it's bouncing a little bit.
Meet Adrian Brown. He has owned a little over 20 vehicles in a span of only 2 years. He started off by selling his first 2 cars that were valued at nearly $10,000. Today he only owns 9 vehicles, and out of those 9 are what he calls custom designed vehicles by himself.
I did pull off early. Fuck.
Customs Racing Garage. Coming soon to YouTube and Car Meets.